Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This is very important question for CU Economics Honors Semester 3. Sahana is observed to purchase Q1 equals to 20, Q2 equals to 10 at prices P1 equals to 3 and P2 equals to 6. She is observed to purchase Q1 equals to 18 and Q2 equals to 4 at prices P1 equals to 3 and P2 equals to 5. Is her behavior consistent with the axiom of the utility theory of rival preference? We solve this question by using the axioms of rival preference. Now, there are two situations, situation 1 and situation 2. In situation 1, price combination is 3, P1 3 and P2 6, 3, 6. Quantity $20, $10. Now in situation 1, consumer buys this quantity at this price. Now there is another quantity, that is Q1 equals to 18, Q2 equals to 4. We call this is P0 or P1. We call this P1 equals to 3, 6 and Q1 equals to 20, 10. Another situation, in situation 2, price, that is P2 is 3, 5, and quantity Q2, this is not the square, this is the situation. The superscript indicate the situation. Q2 equals to 18, 4. Now the cost of basket, at price 3, 6. Basket 1, this is 3 into 20, price into quantity, this is the expenditure of cost, 3 into 20 plus 6 into 10, this is 60 plus 60, this is 120. And basket 2, at this price, basket 2, this is, the price is 3, quantity is 318 plus, when price is 6, for the second commodity, price is 6, quantity is 4. This is 54 plus 24, this is 78. The expenditure for the first basket is 120 and the expenditure for the second basket is 78. What does it mean? Basket 1 is more expensive than basket 2. At price 3, 6, basket 1 is more expensive than basket 2. That means when basket 1 is purchased, basket 2 is affordable. When basket 1 is purchased, basket 2 is affordable. It means that basket 1 is rival preferred to basket 2. At prices 3, 6, basket 1 is more expensive than basket 2. It means that when basket 1 is purchased, basket 2 is affordable. The cost of the basket at initial price is 120. The cost of the basket 2 at initial price is 78. That means basket 1 is more expensive than basket 2? When basket 1 is purchased, then basket 2 is affordable. That means basket 1 is little preferred to basket 2. Basket 1 is little preferred to basket 2. Now we consider at this price, that is 3,6, the expenditure of basket 1 and expenditure of basket 2 at prices 3,5, cost of 2 baskets. Basket 1 at this price 3 into 20, 3 into 20 plus 5 into 10, this is 60 plus 50, this is 110. And basket 2, for basket 2 is 3 into 18, 3 into 18 plus 5 into 4 plus 5 into 4, 54 plus 20, this is 74. That means when in this situation this basket is purchased, that is 18,4, this basket is purchased. Basket 2 is purchased but basket 1 is not affordable. Basket 1 is more expensive than basket 2. But in this price situation, basket 2 is purchased. What does it mean? That means when basket 2 is purchased, basket 1 is not affordable. When basket 2 is purchased, then basket 1 is not affordable. That means basket 2 is not really preferred to basket 1. Now these are the two important things. Basket 1 is more expensive than basket 2. When basket 1 is purchased, basket 2 is affordable. That is basket 1 is really preferred to basket 2. And when basket 2 is purchased, then basket 1 is not affordable. That means these given conditions are consistent with the actions of rival preference theory. This is consistent with the weak axiom of rival preference theory. According to the weak axiom of rival preference theory, according to the weak axiom of rival preference theory, when basket 1 is purchased, basket 2 is affordable, and when basket 2 is purchased, basket 1 must not be affordable. This behavior is consistent with the rival preference theory. Hence, her behavior is consistent with the axiom of rival preference theory. I hope everybody understood this problem. Thank you. That's it for this video.